Hello guys, this is the premium course of SQL Tutorial which is sponsored by Scorium Technology. In this course, we will discuss SQL topics from basic to advanced levels. After the completion of this course, you will be able to answer the questions which are related to the basics of SQL like its uses, capabilities, syntax, operators, and data types. The syntax of SQL is the set of rules and guidelines for writing SQL statements. The important thing about SQL syntax is that it is not case sensitive. It means the SQL syntax can be written in uppercase letters as well as lowercase letters. The general examples of the SQL syntax are select, from, and where. The first important point about SQL syntax is that it must be written in capital letters for better understanding. The second point is that the SQL statement must end with a semicolon. For example, the given select statement ends with a semicolon. The third point is that SQL uses single quotes for string values and double quotes are not allowed in SQL. SQL has several data types that are used to specify the type of data that can be stored in a particular column of a table. For example, in the following table, the data type of ID, type ID, and price column is int. This indicates that they can store only integer values. The frequently used data types are int, varchar, char, and float. Each data type stores specific kind of values. For example, int store only integer values, char store only character values, and float stores only decimal values. SQL operators are used to specify conditions in SQL statements. For example, in the following condition, and is used to join condition 1 and condition 2. The AND operator comes under the category of the logical operator. There are various kinds of operators such as arithmetic operators, comparison operators, and logical operators. The arithmetic operators are plus, minus, etc. The comparison operators are less than, greater than, etc. The logical operators are and, or, and not. SQL statements are used to perform various operations on databases such as insert, update, delete, etc. The examples of SQL statements are select, insert, update, delete, create, alter, drop, truncate, etc. In this lecture, we have discussed three important topics, namely SQL syntax, its data types, and operators. In the next lecture, we will talk more about SQL statements.